Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will explain you about the prefix and postfix increment and decrement. I hope you will clearly understand after this video what is prefix and what is postfix and how they work and what is the function of these functions. Prefix mean prefix mean once you are assigning one value to another value, it will increment before after assigning one value to other value, before increment then assign to other value. In the postfix, once you are assigning a value to b value, mean if a value I if you are assigning I value to assign j value, then it will assign value of I to j, then increment in the I. Let explain in a clearly with practical example. Create a new dot file, prefix pre post create the void main function, create a variable int data type and create a variable, assign the value 5, create a new variable j and assign value 0. I am explaining you about prefix, pre-increment and decrement. As you know, program start from top to bottom. Once program start, void main function start, and this variable call, this variable call, and then at the end of the last statement which is written at the last, then call and close the bracket and end the program. Once we are assigning the value j, assigning I value to j value without any increment. Let's check the output of that. Assigning the value of I to j, j value is, I copy that for later to save my time and run that program. I am using the Android Studio ID. If you are using another ID, then if you are facing an issue, then please comment me. I will try to help you. Assigning the value of I is equal to, assigning the value of I to j is 5. As I write here, I is equal to 5 and j is equal to 0. I uh, I say the value of I convert send to value of variable to j. Once the value of j is sent, and I print the value of j here. You can check here the value of j is 5. Now value of variable of j is variable of j contain the value of 5, mean 5, and I want to increment in I. you have, this is pre-increment. How it work? It work like that. You can check. I i have a 5, and this is increment increment 1. Double one mean, double plus mean 1 will be add to 5. This result will be show 6. As you see, the value of j is 5. Now this will convert into 6. Let's check. You see the value of the j will be convert into 5 to 6. This is a prefix. Prefix mean once your program run, and before assigning to another variable I value assigned to other value j, the variable as I assigned to other variable j, it will before increment then assign to j. In the in this is increment scenario. In the other scenario, decrement scenario, what how it work? It will work like that. This is decrement. um, Double time negative mean 1. 1 negative 1 will be subtract. Sorry, this is a plus 5, and this is a, this work like that. It will remove from 1 will be deduct from I. The 1 will be deduct. How it will be deduct? The 5 minus, because 5 is a plus value and 1 is a negative value, it will deduct 1, and result will be 4. In that scenario, it will shown like that. 1 is negative and 5 is plus. Here is a plus increment. Plus minus plus negative negative and plus 5 will be, once minus 1 deduct from plus 5, it will, the result will be plus 4. How this program work? Let's check it. That is plus 4. I explain you clearly. I commit that program to save my time, because the video length will be too much bigger. This is postfix, post increment, and decrement. This scenario will be same, but it will work like that. It will add the value. This is I value 5. It will add assigned to j, then when I I value assigned to j, the j value will be 5, j value will be 5. After assigning the value, it will increment. Program flow will be like that. It will assign to value j and then increment. You can check here, you can see the value of I will be assigned first. Once the value of the I will be assigned to j, the value of j will be 5, and here I copy paste that value of j, I replace, and here I will, the value of I will be 6 now. After incrementing, the value of 6, value of I will be 6. You can see the before incrementing, the value of I will send to variable j. After the increment, the value of I print here. I hope the increment value will be in post value, post concept will be clear. Now I explain you about the decrement. Decrement work as that scenario like increment scenario work. It will assign the value to j, then decrement. Decrement, how decrement work? The I value is equal to 5. The I variable send to j, the j value will be 5. Once once j value will be 5, after that it will decrement. Then decrement, the value of I will be 4. Let's run that program and check how it perform. Sorry, there is, you can check as I explain you. Before decrementing, the value of I will directly assign to j. After that it will decrement the value of, decrement from the value of I. After decrementing, the value of I will be 4. Hope this is, will be clear. If you have any question related to that, please ask me. So if you have not clear, please watch again, because in the next upcoming video will be loop, for loop, for in loop, and while loop. Because if you have not clear that concept, the other concept will be not clear. Hope, thank you for that, Jazak.